At SAIT, we celebrate the power of diversity and the immense value international talent brings to the workforce. Our industry-ready students are driving innovation, strengthening communities, and leading businesses around the world. Guided by instructors with real-world expertise, our students benefit from a curriculum shaped by industry insights and hands-on experiences that mirror the demands of today's workplaces. Through strong partnerships with industry leaders, we collaborate to achieve shared goals of success, inclusion, and economic prosperity. Together, we're shaping the future of work.
Canada is a multicultural country, and the workforce in Canada thrives by multiculturalism. I think if an employer understands really the value of hiring somebody from a different country, it's a win-win.
If you're trying to recruit and retain international talent, you recognize that they have different social norms, they have different perspectives as well. And that's not a bad thing. Diversity helps you hit every corner.
They can possibly market some business in those countries, right? Now you have an asset to somebody that speaks that language, and it helps you. It's a game of learning from each other.
I love the place I work right now because my team is like the most diverse set of people you would ever come across. We have representation from each and every continent in the world. Just having that diversity around me all the time really helps you, especially when you want to collaborate, because everyone has a different lens they come from. Some people come from more unstructured backgrounds. Some businesses in Nigeria, some of them are very unstructured, and that was my first working experience. And some people have the most refined background, and when you join that together, when they solve problems, they hit every point.
Having an internship really showed me how the Canadian labor market operates and how it works and what is expected of me and what I can bring to the table.
I think this SAIT does, but the MET program in general, what they do is they reach to employers asking what problems is there to solve. And a lot of employees come back and say, this is the challenge that we're facing today. Perhaps your students can figure something out. Beyond solving problems in the notebook and exercises, designing something at the labs, this is the real world, how we can make our life better, because that's really what it is.
I was in the Bachelor of Applied Business Administration program. It put me in a position where I had no other option than to succeed, because I had to complete the program, you need to have at least 8 months of an internship. And I felt like putting myself in those positions is usually where I find the most success. I didn't want anything handed to me on a plate, because when you don't really earn it, you don't really appreciate it, and you don't know what it takes to get to those places, like the sacrifice and all the time and effort you put into it.
There are many challenges with being an international student.
You need to start getting used to different cultures, different accents, different beliefs.
If you learn to adapt, that skill is very important. Building a healthy workplace, a workplace that nurtures and values and respects its employees, makes it easier not for only international employees, but also for all employees.
International talent fuels innovation, strengthens global connections, and brings new perspectives to workplaces across Canada. At SAIT, we make it easy to connect with this exceptional talent pool. From free job posting on SAIT's My Career Hub to work-integrated learning opportunities like internships, co-ops, practicums, and capstone projects. Through our industry mentorship program or by hosting a customized employer session, you can inspire the next generation of professionals and showcase your opportunities. Discover meaningful ways to connect with top talent and engage with global excellence at SAIT.